Hi everyone, today we're cooking Tajik pulao. So my wife is going to explain exactly what goes into the Tajik pulao. So first of all, what is this? How many carrots did you slice?
I use about 4 to 5, but my one was small. If someone have bigger, you can about 4. So here is meat. We are putting so little bit meat because we have salan which have so much meat.
And is it lamb or
yeah,
beef?
it's lamb.
Okay.
And here is one small onion, so small one.
Full onion, yeah?
Yeah, full onion.
Okay.
So now
So is that the three main ingredients? It's meat, carrot.
We add some oil. Normally you can put 1 cup oil, but because my father-in-law don't like so much oil, I'm putting so little bit, this much you can see. So now I'll put the small peas.
And how long do you cook the peas for?
It will go black, burn it.
So don't take them out until they get burnt.
Yeah. So it's ready. Now we will add some. The half of the carrot will go. This much we will leave. So a little bit salt for the meat. So our carrot is halfly cooked. We will add this and some water. I will add some water. Now let it boil for about maybe 20 minutes.
Okay, so now we're going to explain exactly how to cook the Tajik pulao. So my wife has already explained all the ingredients that you need. It's very simple. You have 3 or 4 carrots, depending on how much rice you're going to cook.
Yeah.
And onions. 1 small onion, and meat, of course. So you have a choice between lamb and beef.
And chicken.
Or chicken. And what cooks faster, the lamb or the beef?
Lamb and chicken. Beef always take time.
Okay, so we've got lamb today. So let's show you how it's cooking now. Can you?
This man will make me crazy. And
So you start off with putting oil.
yeah.
We don't put too much oil because both my parents don't like too much.
Oil, then put onion.
Let the onions go golden brown. Let them fry properly. So sometimes they'll go even black. That's fine.
Yeah.
They're not burnt.
Yeah.
It's nothing wrong with that.
Because you will take it out after. Then you will add your meat and half of your carrot. Once your carrot halfway cook, then add
Water into this.
add your another half of carrot and water and let it boil for 10-15 minutes.
And let it just simmer. So put it on medium gas and just let it simmer.
And show this badmash. And I will show you the rest. What is your problem? You don't want to eat food? What is this? What is this? So I will show you.
Okay, so here we have the rice.
Yeah,
the
here.
rice we actually took out, is the first thing we took out. And we placed it in a bowl. We've got 3 cups of rice in there.
Yeah.
And it's placed in hot water. So
It can get soft.
nice and soft.
Yeah. Now I will wash it with cold water, maybe about 3-4 times. But before this, do not wash your rice. Now we will wash it.
Yeah.
Now we will add our rice. And now we will add water.
Okay, so you basically placed all the rice directly on top of the carrots and the meat
Yeah.
and everything. Are you gonna mix it now?
No, you're not supposed to mix it.
Okay.
So I think that was a bit too much water, but I think it should be okay. So
And how long are you going to keep this?
I will put now some zira. I forgot a little bit zira, and I will add a little bit namak.
Do you put any haldi or black
No,
pepper?
nothing.
Nothing of these things, yeah?
I put so little bit namak because I'm so scared always. Also put zira before, but I didn't. Little bit zira.
Now my wife has put it on full gas.
Yeah.
So it's on the
All the time should be in full gas.
so it's on the highest one that you can get. And don't worry about it burning because it shouldn't burn.
Here's water. Once the water get dry, then I will show you. So come here. As you can see here, we still have water. See, we make a hole and we see the water. The water should be dry. And I hope this will be tasty. Always when I cook something for my father-in-law, it's never become good. Especially once we make steak.
Yeah, oh my god.
Oh my god, it's become so bad. Then my father-in-law told to my husband she will go to the kitchen for 2 hours. Come back and all the food is burned. But he by job. So
Okay, so
But
how long is
he loves my plov, but he don't like too much oil. So
Yeah.
today I put so a little bit water. Give a little bit more.
20 minutes?
No, 2-3 minutes. The water
Really?
will go dry, and then we'll put this in dum.
It's a shame you can't smell it because the smell
Yeah,
is
it's
so
so
nice.
good.
So good.
Yeah.
We'll come back to you once the water is dried
Yeah.
and tell you a little bit more afterwards.
Let's. You say something good.
Well, this is my favorite rice that my wife cooks. She makes a lot of amazing food, but her Tajik palau is one of the best dishes that she makes.
Yeah, and I hate this hairstyle.
Hmm?
Your hairstyle
My wife hates my hairstyle. I
is
love
so
her
bad.
hairstyle. I love everything about my wife. But she hates everything about her husband.
And it will match everything. Blue, 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 and blue. And I'm sure there's more things blue.
Things we can't tell.
Oh my God! Somebody can tell him it's not fashion
It is
anymore.
fashion.
It's not. Now fashion is how
Mixing
much
it.
I know. Yeah, really in
Is it?
2020, yeah.
Okay, wow.
So as you can see, the water is dry. Ay. Yeah, now we will put this in there. Oh no, still we have water, you can see. And all the oil everywhere.
And we just cleaned yesterday the house.
Yeah. So I still have the water. Let's leave it more for 1-2 minutes. Put this one.
No.
I'm going to put what's called?
Garlic.
Garlic.
A whole garlic, yeah?
Whole garlic.
Did you peel it?
No, it's unpeeled. I just washed it.
Okay.
So you put here in the middle. Yeah. So now we're going to put this in down. This is such uncomfortable, but we don't have nothing else. Just push to this side. Once close it, I will make it close. So come show. We put this in down. This will be like this, beautiful.
Okay.
Then we will put. Come to this side.
Mm-hmm.
This one on top, and put this one so nothing can go, and just close it. And now we will put this in the small, so little bit, this much you can't even see. And we'll put this here for about 30-35 minutes, maybe 40. So you can put 40, nothing will happen. And then we will show you. Yeah, My mother-in-law can't see the atta, but I put hair for her. Amna, this girl.
Fridge बंद करना.
Come, Amna. Why are you not sleeping? Amna.
Very bad.
She's not sleeping all night, all night. My mother-in-law will make now roti. I will show you my roti. It was so good, so.
You can compare the two good quality rotis side by side.
Yeah. So I moved my plov to back side because my mom is started cooking the roti there. She put her big. Amna. Amna. Put her here. My husband bought new phone. It's so bad. Please, people, don't buy it. It has such bad quality. It's Samsung 20 something, but we had the choice to buy the new iPhone like this. But we bought. Amna is going to cook too some roti. I will show you how she's cooking. Your famous woman, tell us how to make it. Mom, explain how to do it.
How to do it?
Mm.
You can watch what I am doing. How can I explain? I am showing you. You
Okay.
can see properly.
Is this a roti or paratha?
This is paratha.
So this is
This is
paratha.
paratha, not roti.
Okay.
She's specially making this for her husband. She not.
Paratha for my son.
And for dad?
Dad roti.
Okay.
This is for your husband.
Okay, this is for my
This is
husband.
For your husband.
You will do now after this one.
And me and Bechara dad, my father-in-law, were eating roti.
Simple roti people.
It's only for her husband, for her son. Can you take a So, talk. My husband loves paratha. He don't like roti. I don't like paratha because so much butter there. No, 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 no.
What do you
Look at
like?
her dirty face.
What do you like, Amna?
Someone in the door. Who is there? What is this?
This is just arrived
What is this?
from Moscow.
Ah, this is my mom sent.
Yeah, I think this is Amna's
Okay, let's
bread
open
set.
it.
Should I have...
Mom is making roti. Yeah. Oh my god, you will love it.
Wow.
I
So
was
big.
thinking it's suitcase.
That's what I thought.
But you know, I'm checking this on the internet. What they give us their reference number.
Yeah,
It's showing us I'm still in Moscow,
Ah.
but it's here in London now.
Everything we do for Amna.
For me, everything was done in Juma. Anything. Hi, Mahmoud. Let's see what is there.
Wow.
You will love it. Even this one she sent from Moscow. Oh my god. She said, well, maybe you will not find in London or because again we are in lockdown, everything is closed. So she made sure she will send from Moscow. It's for this one, which baby have. I will show you everything. See how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at her. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't know, you can see. I think it's from there. Okay, we'll show you everything.
Now we're coming back to the pulao,
Yeah, we will show you how
which has been cooking for about roughly 30 minutes now.
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look.
Come.
One.
See. Bismillah. You can mix it.
How long is the whole process, would you say?
1 hour.
Okay, so you can also make now Tajik plov
In 1
yourself in the house. It will take about 1 hour. How difficult would you say it is out of 10?
It's not difficult.
5
It's
out of
very
10?
easy. See, here we go.
Beautiful smell. Okay.
So now we will make cake. It's so easy. So
What is the cake called?
this Russian cake is called,
The drizzle cake?
what is called?
The Russian drizzle cake?
Russian.
Pineapple cake?
No, I forgot the name.
Okay, so a little development since our last vlog. She now remembers the name of the
Yeah,
cake.
it's pancho.
And what does this mean?
It's mean cake. I don't know what it's mean, but it's so easy. I will cook a little bit different because normally you need to cook this with sour
Cream?
but because you don't like, I will just put the normal cream. So
Okay.
let's start. So we need 6 eggs and 250 gram sugar, which I will add now. And I will blend.
So we're using Nesquik.
Yeah, I will put 1.5.
And can people use anything else as well? As a
No.
substitute?
No. And I will put baking powder, 1 gram. I add this one,
The Nesquik cocoa.
cocoa, 2 spoon, 2 big spoon, and baking powder, 1 gram. So now I will mix it.
And how long are you mixing it for?
Once you get full mix, you can stop it on. Now we will put it here, as you can see.
So this is, by the way, baking paper, which you can buy from Sainsbury's or
Anyway,
any store.
can you tell them something more?
Wow. What else can I say?
Is they without you know where to buy it? So now what you need to do is just
Spread it all over?
yeah.
Okay.
You know you can do in the special for the cake which they have there. What's it called?
Not sure.
What I have in Alicante, where I put cake.
It's a cake tray.
Yeah. So because I don't have it, I'm cooking here. But you can do that too. It's not. So we take it out. So now how we know that this is cooked? Take a
Toothpick.
toothpick, put it. You can see nothing in the toothpick, so it's mean.
So the cake is fully
Yeah,
dry.
if this is clean, it mean your cake is done. Now we will leave this for 1 hour. Once it will get full cold, then we'll start put the cream and everything.
So you're cutting these into small pieces.
Yeah,
And what will you do with them afterwards?
they will see now. I will show in the video.
So what we've done is we've made the
It's a small piece.
the side of the cakes into small pieces.
And this one is, we need it now.
Okay, and we'll tell you what we're gonna do with the small pieces now.
So
Next,
here is the,
double cream.
yeah, I will use 2 of them.
Pour in a bowl. Can they use single cream as well?
They can mix, but single cream is too much watery. Better this one. or buy the single cream and put the Philadelphia or Mars Mr. or whatever store. We will mix this with powdered sugar and we will
Biscuit.
yeah. So it should be like this, thick. So we will put a little bit cream. I already put this for what's in plastic under this, so you can see. So we will put a little bit cream
On the base, yeah?
here. Now we will take
The cake
cake,
pieces,
put this in the cream.
Mix it into the cream, yeah?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and just put it there. I think you better come here and do video from here. Take another one. Put it in the cream. And put it here. Another one. The cream. Put it here. Again, the cream. Put it there. We will add some
Pistachios and
Yeah.
walnuts.
walnuts. See like this.
You can also put almonds in there, but we didn't have almonds.
Yeah. And we will put
Some pineapple pieces.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And again, do the same things. Take your cake, this.
Cake
Put,
pieces.
yeah, please. Put in your cream and put it here.
Okay. So it's like a layer.
Yeah.
Mm.
So once you do all this, again, put your
Pistachios, all the nuts,
nuts. Yeah.
followed by again pineapple.
Yeah.
So repeat the same process.
things, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's come back to you once it's done. Again, you put your nuts on top
Again, ananas.
and more pineapple pieces.
Mm.
And are you putting the juice with this as well, or is this without the juice?
I didn't without the juice.
Okay.
Gosh, oh, this is so bad here.
So you reached the end of making the cake, yeah?
What we cut,
Mm-hmm.
we will just put it like this
On top, yeah?
on top. Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna push it in?
No,
Okay.
just like this and it's ready. So then you need to close it like this
Mm-hmm.
from this side, and put this the fridge for maybe 1 hour, 1.5, so all the cream and all this can be together.
Okay, so let it cool down
Yeah.
and all the cream and everything will settle down, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Excellent. Okay, it's ready almost. And
Yeah.
we will see you after how long now?
1.5 hour.
Okay, so you leave this in the fridge for about 1.5 hours. And how do you know it's ready? Is there any...
Just let it everything go inside.
Okay. Alright, we'll
Then we
come
will
back.
cover with cream all day.
Wonderful. We'll come back in about an hour's time. See you soon.